Hey there, Money Masters. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and banking tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money from Keystone Bank in 2025. With the latest updates to Keystone's app, transferring funds has never been smoother or more secure. Whether you're sending cash to a family member or splitting bills with friends, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you have the 2025 version of the Keystone Bank mobile app installed on your smartphone. It's free from the App Store and packed with new features like biometric security and instant notifications. Once you're set, open the app and log in using your username, password, and perhaps a fingerprint or Face ID for added protection. Super handy for quick access. Now, head to the main dashboard and tap on the Transfer icon, which is usually front and center. You'll be prompted to select the type of transfer. Maybe it's to another Keystone account or an external bank. Enter the recipient's details carefully. Double-check the account number and amount to avoid any slip-ups. Keystone's smart system might even suggest contacts from your linked phonebook, saving you time. Next, review the transaction summary, including fees, which are minimal in 2025, and the estimated arrival time. Hit Confirm, and authorize it with a PIN or your biometrics. Voila! You'll get a confirmation message almost instantly, and you can track the status right in the app. One quick tip. If you're transferring large amounts, enable two-factor authentication for extra security. It's a game changer. And remember, always transfer during banking hours to avoid delays. Thanks for watching, folks. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more banking hacks. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. See you in the next video.